Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to convert week to hours and hours to week. I will start the video by writing few standard conversions, which is 1 week is equal to 7 days and 1 day is equal to 24 hours. The conversion of week to hours can be done by two methods. The first one is to find a conversion factor and then multiply or divide the conversion factor with the week or hours given. And the second method is to convert it directly. So let's find the conversion factor to convert from week to hours. So we know that 1 week is 7 days and 1 day is 24 hours. So we can write 1 week is equal to 7 times 1 day, and in place of 1 day we can write 24 hours as 1 day is 24 hours. So 7 times 24 makes it to 168 hours. So this is the conversion factor we can use to convert from week to hours. So let us solve few examples here. Our first example is to convert from 3 weeks to hours. So here we are going to write 3 weeks as 3 times 1 week, and in place of 1 week we are going to use our conversion factor, which is 168 hours. So we are going to write 3 times 168 hours. This becomes 504 hours. So our answer is 3 weeks is equal to 504 hours. Now let's try and find out how many hours is equal to 11 weeks. 11 week can be written as 11 times 1 week, and in place of 1 week we can 168 hours, cause we just find out the conversion factor that 1 week is 168 hours. This comes out to be 1848 hours. So 11 weeks is equal to 1848 hours. This is our final answer. Both these examples we have done by using the conversion factor. Now let's do an example where we convert from week to days without using the conversion factor. So let's try an example where we convert 5 week to hours. So this we are going to do directly. So 5 week we can write as 5 times 1 week. Now 1 week is equal to 7 days. So we are going to write 7 days here. So this will become 5 times 7 times days we can write as 1 day. And as we know that one day is equal to 24 hours. So we are going to put 24 hours here, because we need to find how much hours. So we need to convert this unit to hours. So this will become 5 times 7 times 24 hours, which comes out to be 840 hours. So 5 week is equal to 840 hours. This is our final answer. So whatever method you feel to you can use the conversion factor, or you can find it directly, breaking week into days and days into hours. Now let's find the conversion factor to convert from hours to week. We have already calculated our conversion factor, which is 1 week is 168 hours. By this conversion factor we can also find out how much is 1 hour. So to find how much is 1 hour, we have to divide 1 week by 168 hours. So 1 hour will become 1 week over 168. So this is the conversion factor to convert from hours to weeks. So let's clarify this with few examples here. Let's convert 198 hours is how many week? We can write 198 hour as 198 times 1 hour. In place of 1 hour, we are going to use our conversion factor, which is 1 week over 168. So this will become 1 over 168 week. So this comes out to be 1.17 week. So this is our final answer. Now let's take one more example and convert 1512 hours is how many weeks? So the same method we are going to use by using the conversion factor. We can write 1512 hours as 1512 times 1 hour, and in place of 1 hour we are going to use the conversion factor, which is 1 week over 168. So by solving this, we get the answer as 9 week. So 1512 hours is equal to 9 week. This is our final answer. Now let's take one more example where we convert hours to weeks without using the conversion factor. Here we convert 672 hours is how many weeks? As we know that one day is equal to 24 hours, so we'll divide this 672 hours by 24 hours to calculate the number of days. So 672 hours divided by 24 hours is equal to 28 days. Now from days we are going to convert it into week. So 1 week is 7 days. So to find the number of weeks, we are going to divide 28 days by 7. So this will become 4 weeks. So our answer will be 672 hours is equal to 4 weeks. This is our answer without using the conversion factor. So I hope this topic is now clear to you and you can convert week to hours and hours to week easily. So far we have learned that the conversion factor to convert from week to hours is 1 week is equal to 168 hours. So to convert from week to hours, you just need to multiply the week number by 168 hours. And to convert from hours to week, you need to divide the number of weeks by 168. So this is the conversion factor to convert from week to hours and hours to week. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.